Good morning. I hope you're having a good weekend. This is Krista from the Osceola Public Library, and we are going to do our Virtual Science Saturday. Today we're going to do an experiment that's going to go over liquids, solids, and gas, okay, using some of my favorite supplies, Alka-Seltzers, or in our case, the cheap version, okay? What you'll need is a few of the Alka-Seltzers, a plastic bottle, some water, and you'll notice that mine is a little more than halfway full, which is what you're going to want, and finally, a balloon. And I do love emojis, so I went ahead and drew a smiley face on mine. Okay, here we go. First thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't done it yet, is to put your water in your plastic bottle. Like I said, a little more than halfway, all right? And so I'm going to take my lid off. And we're going to observe a few things here, okay? First one is a plastic bottle is a solid. And our tablets, if you can tell, those are solids as well. But what is the water inside of the bottle? Yes, good. It is a liquid. Okay, so I'm going to start out by breaking a little bit of this tablet off of there and drop it in. What do you think will happen? Have you ever used Alka-Seltzer before? All right, we're going to go ahead and drop it in, see what happens. There you go. You see the little fizzy bubbles? Good. Okay, in science, you'll learn that when acids and bases come in contact with each other, they create a chemical reaction. If you look at the ingredients for Alka-Seltzer on the package, you'll see that it contains citric acid, which is our acid, and sodium bicarbonate, which is another word for baking soda, which is a base. So you have an acid and a base both in this little tablet. And when you drop it into the liquid, the acid and the baking soda react to form carbon dioxide bubbles. So there is our gas. So to learn a little bit more about how gas works, what we're going to do next is I'm going to put a whole tablet in here, and then we're going to put our balloon on the top. All right, so here we go. Ready? All right. Yeah, okay, it's too big for my bottle. I'm going to have to break it in half and drop it all in that way. There we go. Okay, put my balloon on. Let's see if we can figure out what's going to happen. Can you guess? Do you see anything happening? Oh. And there goes the balloon. How cool is that? All right, as that gas is released from the tablet, it is trying to escape out of the bottle, but because we have the balloon on there, it's trapping that gas. So how fun is that? What do you think will happen if I put 1.5 of them in there? All right, let's take it off and we'll try it again. If I can get the balloon back off. Oh, yeah, this is definitely a challenge. There we go. Okay, remembering that they won't all fit very well. See if that one will fit. All right, I want to get my balloon ready because I want to capture as much of that gas as I can. All right, here we go. Woo! Uh-oh. Whoa, look at that. Watch my little face. Oh, it's even blowing up a little bit, isn't it? I don't know whether I should sit back. How fun. I just love chemical reactions, don't you? All right, that was our experiment for today. So hopefully you have a better picture of solids, liquids, and gas. Join us next week. Who knows, we may use Alka-Seltzer again. All right, have a good weekend.